Hello, dear friends. Welcome back to Tradespotting. Let's see, there's nobody here yet. Soon there shall be somebody. And this is OTLY. It's the trade we had up from Sploshing. It's a 50 to 1. A little bit left to go on it there, up to 266 perhaps. 15% today. If you haven't entered already, probably not worth jumping in here considering the risk profile from an entry here. It's already hit the 886 retracement. You're looking for a 1.1 free extension. Look out through here, previous high. And on to yon target. Is this not... There's still no one here. Is this... It's not private or anything, is it? Edit. Check this out. Check it out. Public. Streaming now. Where is everybody? Right, so... To be alone is one thing, to feel alone is double. Hurry up and arrives. Right, so we're looking at the OTLY time frame, daily time frame there, OTLY chart. It's already done looking left there. A lot of what asking for more from here is really greedy. You'd have to already be in the trade and managing it with a stop loss at this point below the 50 simple, and it's such a long distance away. You know, I'd be looking obviously for my target. I stick with it till the end. But you know, if you're paying your pants, you can always take profit, yo, or put your stop tighter. So that's that. Jen, you're the first one here. Alright, good to see you. And Mango, how's it doing? And Space Banana. Yes. It's the veterans. Yeah. Yo, Nick. What up? Right, good to see some people. Great, thank goodness. Freaking hell. Right, so, you know, that's what we're looking at. 230 there at the minute. Not bad. We're looking at percentage changes. That's quite a big one. Obviously, bulk dry index, this 17% down today. Probably best looking at that on a weekly time frame, especially if you're looking for the reason for the problem here. Potential rejection. 50 simple above 200. Price action leaving this zone. That would take the 50 simple with it, and then you continuation in this trend, and easily, you know, if it already broke through this previous low, if this doesn't break up above the 50 simple 200 and start exceeding this oscillation here, it will be a continuation of this downward sloping trend, and these lows of support here, you know, where do you go? We've already broken this low. The next guy is around 630. That's a 50% off, you know, 50% off. I just made corn cheddar. Wow. Perfect time for me to sit down and enjoy over some Tradespotting. What a perfect, lovely evening in the winter time. Yo, Squirrel, how's it going? Joe, James, how you doing? Good to see you. So, we had 5 trades already this year in the Millionaire Maker series, each of which exceeded 250, like, I mean, way more than 250% profit on each of those. 250%. I'm talking X's here. We're making shitloads of money. X's, we're making shitloads of money. If you're taking futures and option trades, started with 5 grand, you'd already be a millionaire, and it's only the 4th of January, and that was the target for 2023. So we've already hit that in terms of, you know, technically, I've already provided the means. So, you know, if you've missed the show, you know, and you trade everything I say, and you think, you know, a grand a pop ain't that much, which, you know, after a while it isn't, then, you know, you'd already be a millionaire. So you know, just give yourself a little reminder not to be missing the trade spottings. Yes, render them red. No, render them fed. Oh, yes. Or reindeers. Are we talking about reindeers or red? Anyway, everybody's been well fed there. Jen apparently isn't. Jen's control. She's lucky. Well, what are we talking about? Well, anything you guys want. Anything you guys want. Also, in terms of big moves, you might want to, like, the only thing that's, like, nothing's as good as my trade, like, on the markets today. But there's also BBIG up nearly 9%. That's not terrible. And we've got Root up 7%. That's quite good, you know, compared to everything else across the market. Those are the stocks you're looking to. GME, a little bit of a push back towards 1778. 1793, the high. And then, what else have we got here? You know, these guys just let me know you want to look at. Yo. Of course. Just let me know. Or we could just call it that. That's pretty good at the minute. GREE, you know, 30%, not bad there. That's bullishly engulfing there. Could turn into something. HGEN, no, some people don't look at this. That's 236 now. So that's that. Oops. Not a bad trade here so far. Up another 11% on this thing. back into, I mean, I say not so bad so far, but some people won't be happy with it. Back into this formation that's dropped down again. I think we could probably try for that 236. Bear in mind there has been one rejection from it, and that picture on the weekly there, not perfect. Daily time frame though. We'll see. We'll see. This looks like it's presenting a potential opportunity. Certainly, very recently it has been. And then, maybe people looking at a lot of things at this sort of signature. So that's all that. TLRY, you got your 9%, bouncing off the 1.13 there. BNED had been doing well overall, a little bit of a W. We should obviously look to this and see if it continues. Fantastic. This would be the Fibonacci to be cautious of. Golden pocket here. And then if you did come back down again, I'd be saying if it goes anything below 50%, you'd have a pretty clear picture on the go there. Coming towards 160 for a bounce, probably around 170. Low, there's those things also helping people. You've already made your million. There's another few bob, right? Another few bob. What else? Okay. Alrighty. So I'm pretty sure we covered everything. We started. There was nobody here for at least a few minutes, and then we covered the OTLY trade. Doesn't look like anybody's looking for anything in particular. So thank you very much. It's another stream, pretty quick then. Hopefully these things pick up soon, but that depends on yourself. So thanks very much, and hopefully see you soon in a bit, and in another one, maybe a bit